Hello all, I, Mrs. Archana Said, Assistant Professor, Computer Engineering Department, AISSMS IOIT. Today I am going to discuss about constructors in Java. Let's begin with the definition. In Java, the constructor is a special type of method or a function that is used to initialize a newly created object. Initialization of an object meaning assigning the value, some default value, to the non-static member variable of that particular class. It is called just after memory is allocated for an object. The default values are assigned at the time of object creation. If the user is not going to provide the explicit constructor in the program, the compiler is going to initialize the member variables of a class to its default values based on the data type of the member variable. So if the variable is of numeric data type, the default value is set to 0. If the member variable is of type character, then it is set to null character and the reference variables are set to null. Rules for creating Java constructors are like this. The constructors are having same name as that of the class name and it should not return any value. You should not write even a void before writing the constructor definition. There are two types of constructors which are present in Java programming language, namely the default constructor and the parameterized constructor. Now let's see an example and the corresponding memory representation with the help of this slide. Let's say we are having a class A and which has a member variable of type integer, say no1. So here A empty parenthesis and no1 equal to 100 is the default constructor. The default constructor is a constructor which do not carries any argument. And this is parameterized constructor where the constructor carries the number of parameters. Now let's start executing the program. So whenever you execute the program, these two lines are responsible for creating an object, namely A1 and A2. So its memory representation of an object in memory will look like something, this kind of pictorial representation. So the two objects A1 and A2 are created and these two objects will have its own local copy of member variable, that is no1. Now once the memory is allocated, the respective constructors are called and the local copy of member variables are initialized to its respective values. So A1 equal to new A will give a call to a default constructor and its own no1 will be initialized to 100 and this line will give a call to a parameterized constructor and the 200 will be initialized to its own local variable. Now let's observe the output on the console window. Really these values are getting assigned to its own local copy of member variables or not. So how the values can be checked? By simple print statement. So if we try to print the value using system.out.println of the respective object's member variable on the console window, we are able to see the output. For A1 it is 100 and for A2 it is 200. In Java, the constructors are also called as an overloaded constructor because the constructors which are having the same name as that of the class name, it carries only the different set of parameters. So like method overloading, the constructors is having a property of constructor overloading. So this can be the example of constructor overloading. Thank you.